The smoke brings out a nice balance with different flavors in a whiskey cocktail specifically.
Expert how-tos.
So when smoking your cocktail, make sure that you've poured your cocktail into the glass. You've already had your wood shavings in your smoking gun, ready to go. Have the hose attached into your Fortessa smoking cloche. Once both ends are hooked up and all of your wood chips are in the smoker, you can place your cocktail inside the jar. Make sure that it is sealed appropriately. Light your wood chips on fire, then start your smoking gun. That'll fill the smoke inside the smoking cloche. Once the smoking cloche is filled up with smoke, you can turn off your smoking gun, allow the cocktail to sit for 15 to 30 seconds, depending on how smoky you like your cocktail. Once the smoke starts to settle, pull your cocktail out, add your ice, garnish your cocktail, and you're ready to go.